In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo cash coupon. It is very easy and quick process, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now to use your Moomoo cash coupon, first you need to open up your Moomoo app and then log in your account. After this, you need to click on this Me tab from the bottom of your screen, and then this will take you to this screen where you can see the profile picture of your account, and then your name. And from here, you have to scroll down and look for this option coupons. So once you found it, click on it, and then this will take you to the screen where you can see all of your available cash coupons that you can use on your Moomoo. Now to use your coupon, what you need to do is click on this use button right next to your coupon, and then it will be open up this page where you can see all of your details regarding the cash coupon. Now what we need to do is read through all of the details, what is the benefits of it and how much is giving to give the money. So just read through all of these details because the every cash coupon has the different benefits and the different instruction for use. So just you have to read through of this and then find it. So now to apply this coupon, just click on this use button and your coupon will be applied. So that is how you can use your Moomoo cash coupon. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.